I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer with fruits, full guide. Sanitize all equipment immediately, prepare fruit by crushing or juicing, and measure water and sugar precisely to hit target gravity. Start with a simple base beer, add fruit at the right stage, and monitor fermentation temperature closely. Taste frequently after conditioning, adjust sweetness with priming sugar, and bottle when carbonation is stable and flavor is balanced. Choose fruit that complements your base beer and offers fresh aroma without overpowering hops. Use measured amounts such as 1 to 3 pounds per gallon, and note how each fruit changes body and sweetness. Consider freezing to break cell walls or pasteurizing to eliminate wild microbes, and always taste and record results. Gentle maceration and controlled additions yield cleaner fruit character while maintaining stability in fermentation and final beer clarity. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more homebrew content. On another note, quick recommendation: try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for fast, hands-free cleanup after brewing sessions, and yes, it responds to voice commands, which makes cleanup oddly satisfying. I link deals and product info in the description so you can compare options. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with a reliable base beer recipe and decide whether to add fruit in primary for stronger fermentation character or secondary for brighter aroma. Monitor pH and adjust gently to protect yeast performance and flavor. Use hydrometer readings daily to confirm fermentation progress and maintain steady temperature suited to your yeast strain. Rack carefully to avoid excess oxygen, and condition the beer until fruit flavors integrate and the beer reaches desired clarity and taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.